Have you ever been confused on how to use will and going to for future plans? If you are that person, then you are in the right place. Worry no more. Today we are going to be looking at the differences between will and going to, talking about future plans. By the end of this lesson, you will know when to use will and when to use going to when you're talking about future plans. So stay tuned as we explore the differences between will and going to. We use will to talk about decisions that are made at the moment of speaking or predictions on what we believe or what we think. For example, I'm thirsty. I'll get some water. We use will for spontaneous decision. Always use will when you are deciding on something at the moment, at the time of speaking. For example, oh, you're going out? I will join you. Also use will for predictions about the future on things that we believe or think about. For example, I think it will rain tomorrow. Going to, on the other hand, we use it when we have already decided on the predictions or the future plans. When the future plans have already been decided, you use going to because it has been decided. For example, I'm going to visit my grandparents this weekend. This is a planned decision. You have already planned this decision and you're just telling it. If you have already decided to do something, use going to. For example, we are going to begin the project next year. This is already a planned something. You have already planned or you have decided on what to do. We also use going to for predictions with evidence, not predictions that you believe or you think, but we use it for predictions with evidence. For example, look at the cloud, it's going to rain. Let's take some side-by-side examples so that we can really understand the uses. For example, spontaneous decision. I'll call you later. The decision has been made now. And planned decision. Example, I'm going to call you later. I'm going to call you later. This is a decision that has already been decided earlier before now. I'm going to call you later. So, we use will for spontaneous decisions or predictions on things that you believe or things that you think, while we use going to for planned decisions, things that you have already planned. Now let's do some little exercises. Let's try to test our knowledge or our understanding of what we have just studied. I'm going to give just 2 sentences and you're required to drop your answers in the comments below. So I'll give you 2 sentences. In these 2 sentences, one is going to be spontaneous decision and the other one is going to be planned decision. So you're going to choose which is correct and where to fit going to and where to fit will. So use will or going to. Sentence number 1. I blank see a movie tonight. What is the answer? Is it will or going to? The correct answer is I'm going to see a movie tonight. Sentence number 2. It looks like it's blank snow. Correct answer. It looks like it will snow. It looks like it will snow. That is a future prediction. So try making your own sentences with the use of will and going to and share them in the comment section. In a nutshell, or as a recap, today we have looked at the differences between will and going to, and we said we use will when we're talking about predictions or things that we believe in, while we use going to when we talk about things that predictions with evidence or planned decision. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hope to see you again next week. So visit my channel for more English lessons. And next video we are going to talk about difference between the past simple and the past perfect. So stay tuned till we meet again. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed.